Alright, welcome to another video, guys. In this video again we are mixing some hip-hop music, so let's go. I think by this point, if you've been watching our videos consistently, you know where to start and finish the track. But over here we'll be doing something very creative. That is, let's watch and find out. So again, same thing, intro, verse, chorus. Wait for the chorus and start the next song intro. Understand the length of the intro, understand the chorus length, and then align it in such a way when the chorus is ending, and when it's supposed to go to the verse 2 of the first track, we go into the verse 1 of the track 2. Now let's do this. And I won't keep this at 88, maybe 89.
Uncle Psycho was in that bathroom bucket. Knife to his gut, hope daddy don't cut him. Suicidal thoughts brought to me with no advisory. He was pitching dummies, selling fiends, mad ivory. Grandma had the arthritis in her hands bad. She was popping pills like rappers in society. I'll fuck your bitch for the irony. I said meet you at your head if your bitch keep eyeing me. Ride with the mob.
The chorus, start the next song intro. Oh, we have to put a loop, so don't panic. And exit the loop.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here.
And then we are into the takes. Started from the bottom.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom.
Now again, same thing over here, but over here the creative part. We have a next song where I want to start this from the part where it has this. It has this nice tune. So we're going to be starting it from there.
Living at my mama house, we'd argue every month, nigga. I was trying to get it on my own. Working all night,
So let's do this.
on the way home, and my uncle calling me like, where you at?
Wait for the chorus.
I gave you the keys, so you bring it right back, nigga. I just think it's funny how it goes. Now I'm on the road, $500,000 for a show, and we started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Be ready to be
Started
echo.
from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga.
Mississippi putting it down. I'm the hottest round. I told y'all mother, y'all can stop me now.
Now,
Listen
the
to me
surprising
now.
part about all of this is that this is an F minor. Sorry, wait, this is an F minor and this is an A minor. So they're not in relevant keys at all, but still it sounds good to transition. So the point being over here is that as long as it is sounding really good musically, so you need to first train your ears musically to understand if whatever you're doing, this kind of a live transitioning of creative transitioning, is it really sounding musical or is it just sounding gibberish? So make sure you really understand that. Now, so for the next track again, we are doing something similar, but let's see. Oh, I think I missed the point. Let's go back and let me.
Listen to me now. I'm lasting 20 rounds, and if you want me, then come on get me now. Is you with me now? Then biggie bounce. I know you dig the way I switch my style. Holla. People sing around, now people gather round, now people jump around. Get your freak on, 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 get your freak on.
I'ma be reppin' when they play this remix now. Some of them hating cause I'm on top of my shit now. I'ma blow $1 million like it ain't
So
nothing.
that's pretty much,
That
that was pretty much it. So over here again we did a little bit quicker transition from one song to another song. There's nothing wrong in that, but still over here another important aspect which you all need to understand is that you can't always remember where the chorus of the song is in the waveform realistically, or you can't not always remember the exact point where the chorus is coming in until and unless it's your favorite track. So in situations like those, what you got to do is that understand where the chorus is coming in, 8 bars or 4 bars, whatever works for you, and when it goes to the verse 2, so from the point where it is going to go to the verse 2, either 4 bars or 8 bars before, put a hotkey marker so that it's as a reference. It is just a simple reference that when you load the song next time when you're playing live, and if you don't really remember where the song is starting, you can use that as a reference. Okay, that is where my chorus is starting, and I can start my next song in from there. Depends on the intro and outro, how long the intros and the choruses are. Now, So over here, it did not do that. So let's go back and set that.
Get your freak on. Get your freak on. No, me and Timberland.
So by this point, we had.
Get your freak on. Get your freak on. Get your freak on. Get your freak on. Who's that bitch? People you don't know.
So this is the point where it is ending, right?
Who's that bitch?
So 8 bars before that. So technically, this song has 1 bar extra of this.
Now people gather round. Now people jump around. Get your freak on.
Actually, we think we can use this as the marker. So yeah, let's use this as a D marker only. So 8 bars from here is where it starts going into
Who's that bitch? People you don't know. Me and Timberland been high since 20 years.
So again, if I want to do this better this time. Last time I think I started 1 bar before, but this time I'll start this from here.
People sing around. Now people gather round. Now people jump around. Get your freak on. 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 Get your freak on.
I'ma be rapping when they play this remix now. Some of them hating cause I'm on top of my shit
See
now.
how smooth
I'ma
this
blow a
sounded?
million
It's
like
the only difference from my first way of transitioning and this way of transitioning was that this time I put in the effort of understanding how long my chorus is and putting a hotkey marker and starting my next songs in such a way where it is aligning exactly from there. If you notice in this song also, I'm not really starting from the first beat. I'm starting from 9.1, which is the second phrase, or after the 8 bars after 8 bars of intro finishing. That is where I'm starting the song from. So this has like 16. This is technically a remix kind of a track, so it has 16 bars of an intro. But yeah, the concept is the same. Understand your intros and choruses and then mix in and out of the tracks, as simple as that. And if you want to learn more about these kind of things, you know, understand more about music theory and understand more how to mix in and out of the songs cleaner and the song structures, make sure you check out our website destinyschoolofdj.com. We have various courses online as well as offline. Online, anywhere from the world you can take the classes, and offline you need to be in Hyderabad. We have a studio in Hyderabad, you can take the classes from there. And make sure to check out any of our previous videos on hip hop, and hope that helps. And thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you comment down below which of the transition was the good one, which you like, the first one or the second one. And thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day.